Okay, so hello everyone. By the way, guys, in today's video, guys, I'll be showing you how to add or take an order on Alibaba in just a few steps. Okay, so let's get started. So what we're gonna do, guys, is of course we need to go to Alibaba website. Okay, and after that, guys, you need to create an account or login account if you already have an account on Alibaba. So the next thing you need to do, guys, is as you can see here, guys, on this box, you can put specific products you wanted to order. Let's say you want to order a bags, so you just have to hit the enter, and it will show you more results. So as you can see here, but of course, guys, you can also choose other products here. Okay, let's say you wanted to purchase this one, okay, and just have to click this one, guys. So as you can see, will its price is 159.47 pesos, and also, guys, you can resize or choose the size of the ring, either 8, 9, or 10. It's up to you. And after that, guys, you can click the start order, and you're good to go. So that's it, guys. So I hope you enjoy and learn from these quick tutorials, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials on Alibaba. Thank you.